Hello and welcome to Sangram's IAS. My name is Rishabh and today I will be talking about attitude. Attitude is a very important concept for your GS4 paper. This is because both in section A, which is your theory part, and section B, which is your case study part, attitude is a short question, a short concept from which questions are being asked. As you know, in your GS4, UPSC is trying to see how well are you disposed to become an administrator. In the case of an administrator, attitude plays a very important part. For that matter, in your 2015 mains, you were asked the question that you will see that there are two types of attitudes that civil servants usually have. One is the democratic attitude and the other is the bureaucratic attitude. Which one is better and how can they be used to have better administration? So questions like these, which are very applied in nature, come for you in your mains exams. So let's begin. What do you think is attitude? Often when you are talking to your friends, they tell you that, hey, you're not supposed to behave like this. What is this attitude you're showing me? Don't show me your attitude. Things like these often come up in our conversations. Colloquially speaking, attitude is a word that gets thrown around a lot. However, if you think about what is attitude psychologically, or speaking from the psychological perspective, attitude is the disposition that you express after evaluating a particular object, person or idea with a degree of favor or disfavor. So there are three components to this definition. Attitude is a psychological tendency that is expressed after evaluating a person, object or idea with a degree of favor or disfavor. So these three components are the root of what we call attitude. To understand the psychological tendency part, you can take for example that the moment I say that today you have to visit a dentist, you already have this schema in your head. What is schema? Schema is a mental shortcut. That whenever I say that you will visit the dentist today, you get this frame of reference that today you will go to the dentist clinic, there you will be made to sit at the reception till your appointment is valid, then you go inside, you lie down in a chair, and then the doctor will turn on the light and he will inspect your teeth and so on. So psychological tendencies are nothing but schemas or mental shortcuts. A good practice for you at this point will be to think about another schema. I will give you 10 seconds to think about another schema and put it down in the comments. So are you done? So these are schemas. Once you understand that a schema is a mental shortcut, then you will go to the evaluating part. And attitude is always only with respect to a particular thing, whether it is an object, whether it is an idea, whether it is a person. You will see that the psychological tendency only comes after you evaluate certain thing. After evaluation, what you will have is a degree of favor or disfavor. You sometimes like it, sometimes you don't like it. Sometimes you agree to it, sometimes you don't agree to it. So if you have some degree of favor for something, then you have a positive attitude for that thing. If you have a degree of disfavor for that thing, then you have a negative attitude for that thing. So again, if you will see your 2019 mains paper, you will find that a question is asked that the importance of positive attitude in bureaucracy is asked in that question, and then they ask you how can you cultivate a positive attitude. So with this is your definition for attitude. Thank you.